In this video, I am going to share 5 insanely useful AI tools with you. The crazy thing is that all 5 websites I am about to share are completely free to use. So let's not waste any time and get started with the first tool. This AI tool can convert any type of text into a well-designed visual in just a click of a button. The tool I am talking about is called NotebookLM, and it can convert any text into a stunning visual in less than a minute. Whether you are a student, content creator, or a working professional, NotebookLM can be a great time saver for you. This innovative platform makes it easy to convert written ideas into impactful diagrams, flowcharts, and infographics. To get started, simply head over to the first link down below in the description and you'll be taken to this page. At the time of making this video, this tool is in its beta stage, which is why it is completely free to use. Once you're logged in, you only need to paste your text in the blank napkin. NotebookLM will then generate dozens of visuals for you based on the text you've provided. You can choose any visual from this list. Next, you'll also get a lot of customization options here. For example, you can change colors, change font styles, decorate these text, and much more. Graphics that are created in NotebookLM can be used anywhere. You can export it in different formats based on your need. You can use these graphics in your presentation slides, in your articles and blog posts, on your social media posts, and within any type of document. And as I mentioned earlier, this tool is in its beta stage, which means that it is only going to improve from this stage. Since this is completely free for now, make sure to make full use of this tool. The next tool on our list is called NotebookLM. NotebookLM is making a lot of buzz recently, and it's for a good reason. It can help you with all sorts of research purposes, which means that whether you are a student, a content creator, or an entrepreneur, this tool can be your research buddy. Even though it's still in its beta version, it's being compared with tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude AI. NotebookLM was actually introduced around 6 months ago, but recently it has gotten a lot of attention due to its ability to create conversations. It can literally convert any type of data into a form of conversation between two people, also known as podcast. You only need to give it all the sources, and based on the sources, it will answer all your questions. You can add blog posts, YouTube videos, Google Drive links, and even your own document files in this tool, and then you can ask questions. If you go to this conversations option and then click on this generate button, it will generate a conversation between 2 AI hosts, and the voice quality is ultra realistic. So many content creators have seen this and are trying to make podcasts using this tool. This tool is completely free to use, and according to SimilarWeb, it is already getting well over 3 million monthly visitors. Still, if we compare the number with the likes of ChatGPT, it's still less crowded. So make sure to try this for research-related works. Alright, now let's talk about a unique website with a very unique name. The website is called 10,015.io. This tool is like the Swiss Army knife of AI applications. It offers a whole range of features from resizing images, enhancing photos, and coding support to downloading social media posts all in one place. Let's say you need to touch up an image, but then you also need a quick code snippet for a project, and oh, why not download that Instagram post you liked? Instead of hopping between different apps, you can use this tool for those tasks. It's a multitasker's dream come true. Let's say you saw a cool thumbnail on YouTube and you want to download it. You can use the YouTube thumbnail grabber to do it. Let's say you want to crop or resize your image or just want to add some filters. This tool will do the work for you. Let's say you want to convert a tweet into an image. Simply choose this tweet to image converter. Then enter your Twitter post link here and click on capture button, and the tool will do the rest for you. Now, usually tools that claim to do it all end up being pretty meh at everything, but this tool actually delivers solid functionality across the board. Plus, it's like having a toolbox of AI tricks up your sleeve whenever you need them. And once again, it's totally free. It's hard not to be a fan of this one, especially when it feels like you're getting 10 apps in one. The fourth tool on our list is SEOWritingAI, a must-have for anyone who's ever struggled with writer's block or needs help generating human-sounding content. This AI tool helps you create SEO-optimized, human-like content with just a few clicks. Let's say you're a blogger, a marketer, or even just someone who needs a product description. You know that feeling when you've got a deadline and suddenly every word you write sounds robotic? That's where SEOWritingAI comes in to save the day. It gives you quality text that reads naturally so you can focus more on ideas than wordsmithing. Now, one thing you need to understand is that this tool is not completely free to use. The free plan comes up with some limitations, which is good for beginners, but if you want to use it for regular content creation, you might want to select a paid plan for this tool. With that note, let's talk about the last tool on our list. And last but certainly not least, we've got Profile Pic Maker, or pfpmaker.com. This AI tool takes a photo and turns it into an eye-catching profile pic. Not only one, it creates hundreds of different profile pics with different backgrounds. You can adjust backgrounds, add effects, and make your profile pic look like it was designed by a pro. And let's face it, we all know how important that profile pic can be, whether it's for LinkedIn, Instagram, or any other social platform. Plus, it's free, so you don't have to break the bank trying to look good online. It's fun, easy to use, and might just make you the profile pic envy of all your friends. Alright, so there you have it. 5 amazing AI tools that are absolutely free and packed with potential. Whether you're looking to level up your graphics, organize your notes, download social media posts, or even find your next perfect profile pic, there's something here for everyone. And the cool thing is that you can use these tools together. Let's say you are preparing for a presentation. You can do the research using NotebookLM. Next, you can use Napkin AI to create stunning graphics and visuals. If you are collecting sources from social media, you can use 10,015.io for that. You can prepare key points of your presentation using SEOWritingAI. And lastly, you can insert a cool profile pic somewhere in the presentation if it makes sense. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like these. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.